When we say helical piers, it may conjure up visions of fishing on a dock or maybe a medieval torture device, but your home could be in need of them. Stay tuned and I'll answer 3 big questions we get asked about helical piers. Hi, I'm Nolan Beery, the Director of Sales Development at Acculevel. Having home repairs done always brings questions to mind. In this video, I'll answer 3 questions we get asked often. They are, why would my home need helical piers? Would they be a good option for my home? And are they safe for my home? But before we get started, please give us a thumbs up and ring that bell. Let's get started. Helical piers are needed for a home when the foundation has cracked and begun to settle. This could be a porch foundation, a garage foundation, or the main foundation of your home itself. If the foundation of your home is built off of block or poured concrete, helical piers are a great solution for those type of foundations. The only time where it may not be the best solution for your home is if you have an older stone foundation or a brick foundation. Helical piers are just a system that supports the existing structure. It's not ripping out the existing foundation, putting something else in. So they are very safe and add more safety to your home itself without having to really intrude and rip out foundations or footings and completely re-pour them. They also come with a life of the structure warranty, so we guarantee them to never fail as long as your home is standing. To schedule an appointment with one of our project advisors, give us a call or go to our homepage, acculevel.com, and click the Book a Consultation button. Fill out the form and we'll contact you within the next business day. Do you have questions about helical piers for your home? If so, please leave them in the comments below. Check out the description for more videos and blog articles on crawl space and foundation repair. And don't forget to give us a thumbs up and ring that bell. We greatly appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching.